Thank you for visiting the Combs Waterkotte website and our Illegal Gambling or Gaming Defense Lawyer in Missouri website page. Facing charges for driving without insurance in Missouri? Don't risk fines or the suspension of your license without consulting an attorney at Combs Waterkotte. As a premier Missouri traffic tickets law firm, we are dedicated to defending your rights and offering expert legal support to handle your no insurance case. Let's discuss hiring our Missouri no insurance ticket defense lawyers and setting up a free consultation with our attorneys. Missouri no insurance ticket lawyers in Missouri. Understanding Missouri's driving without insurance laws. In Missouri, state law requires all vehicle owners to maintain a minimum level of liability insurance. This insurance protects both the driver and others on the road in the event of an accident. Combs Waterkotte handles reckless driving cases just like yours every day. Contact one of our Missouri traffic lawyers now at 314-900-HELP. The minimum level of coverage required is $25,000 per person for bodily injury, $50,000 per accident for bodily injury, $25,000 per accident for property, $25,000 for uninsured motorist coverage per person for bodily injury, $50,000 for uninsured motorist coverage per accident for bodily injury. Drivers must show proof of insurance to any law enforcement officer when requested. If you can't show proof of insurance, you will be issued a traffic ticket. What happens if I get a failing to show proof of insurance ticket in Missouri? According to the Missouri Department of Revenue, if you're convicted for not having insurance in Missouri, you will face a fine. Then, under Missouri Revised Statute Section 303.0, 251 of three things will happen to you. 4 points will be added to your driving record. It only takes 8 points within 18 months to lose driving privileges in Missouri. The court may enter an order of supervision against you, which will be sent to the Department of Revenue so that they can monitor whether you are maintaining your liability insurance. You may have your driving privileges revoked for a period of up to 1 year. Depending on whether you've been charged with driving without insurance previously, the specific penalties may be: first offense, a fine not to exceed $500. Driver's license, registration, and license plates suspended until adequate insurance is obtained. $20 license reinstatement fee. 4 points on driving record. Second offense, a fine between $200 to $500. Driver's license, registration, and license plates suspended for 90 days. $200 license reinstatement fee. 4 points on driving record. Up to 15 days in jail. Third or subsequent offense, a fine between $200 to $500. Driver's license, registration, and license plates suspended for 1 year. $400 license reinstatement fee. 4 points on driving record. Up to 15 days in jail. Combs Waterkotte can ensure that you face the least amount of penalties possible. In many cases, our Missouri traffic violations lawyers can work to have the charge reduced or dismissed to almost completely limit how the charges affect your life. How Combs Waterkotte can help with no insurance charges in Missouri. Choosing Combs Waterkotte means having a dedicated team working tirelessly to protect your rights and driving privileges when facing no insurance charges. Our experienced Missouri traffic violations team understands the complexities of traffic law and is committed to providing the best defense for your situation. Here's how we can help. Thoroughly assessing your case to determine the best legal approach. Representing you in court to advocate for your interests. Negotiating with courts to minimize fines and prevent license suspension. assisting in gathering and presenting essential documentation, like recent insurance proof, providing clear, informed legal advice on your rights and options, tailoring defense strategies specific to your situation, exploring mitigation strategies, such as acquiring insurance post-charge, offering guidance on avoiding future legal issues related to vehicle insurance. Legal defense strategies for no insurance charges in Missouri. Waterkotte are experts in Missouri traffic law cases. We've beaten driving without insurance cases and limited the impact on our clients' lives in several ways, including, if there are discrepancies in the evidence or procedural errors, we'll identify and challenge them. We often negotiate with prosecutors for reduced charges or alternative penalties. Demonstrating that insurance was obtained shortly after the charge can sometimes positively impact the case. A clean or near-clean driving history can be leveraged for leniency and penalties. If there were valid reasons for the lapse in insurance, these will be brought to light. For first-time offenders, we argue for reduced penalties or alternative options like education courses. Each case demands a unique strategy, and we are committed to finding the one that best suits your situation. How can I reinstate my license? After it's been suspended for driving without insurance in Missouri. In Missouri, reinstating your license after a suspension due to a no-insurance violation involves several steps. Acquire liability insurance if you haven't yet. Provide proof of insurance to the Missouri Department of Revenue with an SR-22, which the insurance company can fill out on your behalf. Pay a reinstatement fee, which will be greater if you have a previous no-insurance conviction. Comply with any other requirements, which may include taking a course, paying outstanding fines or tickets, a court appearance. Call Waterkotte for your no-insurance ticket in Missouri today. If you're dealing with a no-insurance ticket in Missouri, don't hesitate to reach out to Waterkotte. Our experienced Missouri traffic violations team specializes in traffic law defense and is dedicated to getting you the best possible results with your no-insurance charge. We understand the complexities of these cases and are prepared to offer the legal support and guidance you need. Don't let a no-insurance ticket in Missouri overwhelm you. Call Waterkotte at 314-900-HELP or contact us online for a free consultation.